Hello, everyone, and welcome to Coffee with Chloe in the morning. And I don't have my coffee. I should have streamed earlier. I was on a space with Ref, so I was kind of busy this morning. And I am going to open this stream up on my phone so that I can make sure everything's working. I feel like there's been too many times when I'll start a stream and I have no clue what's going on. It seems like it's working. Yep. Perfect. Audio seems good too. And now I can see everyone's comments as well. I just use my phone for this. I got a little Pixel stand. It works well. My wife's twerking in the background, having a good old time, playing with the dog. It's a pretty good home office setup, not going to lie. And so yeah, today I'm going to be resizing the storage, hopefully, of my Google VM virtual machine. I set this up a few videos ago. The main purpose is for Steak Wars coming up July 13th, apparently. We'll see. That's like 6 days away, and I have no clue what's going on. But I guess two quick things. I should just set up a new instance called RPC node. Right. So you can you cannot suspend it. You could stop it apparently. Create new machine image. What does that do? I think this is creating a brand new one. Source VM instance. Oh, this is just the image. Interesting. I don't want to do that. Anyway, sorry. I'm trying to decide whether, because it's already named Steak Wars, and I don't think you could rename them. I think it's just the name of the VM. So technically, if I'm going to be setting up an RPC node, I should just set up a new one. But I think today I'm just testing anyways, so I don't think it matters. So, can I not just resize it? So I'm learning as I go. I'm just live streaming it because I literally have not looked this up before. And I would assume it would be just create new machine image. But then I'm realizing it's definitely not. This is just making sure you have all the data somewhere. I think I'm going to have to actually storage disks, 200 gigs, create, I don't want to create an image though. I don't want to stop the instance. Okay. Let's see. I'm hoping I can just resize it. If I can't, I'll just delete it and remake another one. That wouldn't be fun. Balanced persistent disk in use by Steak Wars. Can I just create a new disk? I guess I gotta create a disk and give it to Steak Wars. In use by Steak Wars. So I might as well just... Okay. Maybe Steak Wars instance could have 2 disks. I can create similar. Let's just stop it. Stop shuts it down. Let's stop Steak Wars for now, so that I can feel really good about setting up a new instance. I thought I was gonna resize it or something. It's not that easy. It should be that easy. It should just be resizing your image on a little slidey bar. But let's see. And then I wanted to create a similar image to keep it really easy because I liked what I had before. And I'm just going to name it marmaj RPC. Oops. Why don't you want to... Oh gosh, it's doing that thing again. Where it just doesn't want to... Google, why are you like this? Okay, it just wants to be like this. Okay. Yeah, low CO2, everything's the same. Yeah, 4 cores? Wait. Oh yeah, sorry, lowest is 2. 8 gigs. So this is the lowest we can do. Change. Disk size, 500. They're saying the minimum for an RPC node is now 500. We're just going to do it. And I know I need a name. You won't let me. So $150 a month. Not bad. Firewall. Add tags to allow specific network traffic. I'm sure I'm going to need HTTPS traffic, I assume. Oh gosh. Set a custom host name. I should do this stuff. Except for the fact, oh my gosh, it's not letting me type anything. Okay, I'll do this. I'm sure I can hopefully set this stuff up later. So let me just... Okay, so the storage is $55 a month. Babe, it's $55 a month for 500 gigs of storage. We can just go to Canada Computers and just... Right? Yo, this is crazy. But let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, but we got to get it to let us type. Last time it did this, we were able to get it to work. How again? Ha! I can get it to copy paste. So all we have to do is go marmaj RPC. Copy that. Come here. We can probably get it to delete. And then, oops. Why am I so bad at like, did I not, oh, there you go. Marmaj RPC. Haha, we did it. Oh gosh, that's funny. At the bottom, do I start it? There you go, create. Your free trial credit will be used for this thing. Okay, sure. We do have free trial credits, $400 worth, which is not that much. It'll last like a couple months. But Stake Wars has stopped because we don't know what's going on with that. If we can figure out how to resize it, that would be great. But I don't think I'll be able to. That's all right. I would love to try and do Stake Wars with a smaller machine, and they said that it would be 200 gigs, but I guess it wasn't. So your project has reached its limit for total SSD. What? Raise limit? What do you mean? Oh my goodness. This is what I'm talking about. I don't like this. Okay? So whenever someone tries to run a node, I got to be very clear. These are all, I'm experimenting, I'm testing. Run your node at home. Don't run it on a virtual machine. Don't run it at Google. Don't run it at DigitalOcean. Don't run it on Amazon Web Services. Don't run it on Microsoft Azure. Don't run it anywhere. Just run it at home. Like I have my mainnet, I can see my mainnet node running right now. This is wild. You have to ask. Can you believe this, babe? You have to ask permission from my service provider. My request will be reviewed and may take some time. I'm trying to do a video right now, and I can't even create a new virtual machine because apparently I already have 200 gigs in that area, and so I have to ask for 500. What's 500 gigs? That's like, oh my gosh. Anyways, we're gonna do it. We're gonna submit we're showing what it really is like. This is what really. This is crazy. It's actually been very difficult to create VMs. This kind of whole world of, I think this is the whole decentralized marketplace right here. Like I want a decentralized marketplace where I can just pay in some sort of cryptocurrency, I guess. I mean, I don't care. I mean, I would love for it to be Near, of course, since I use Near most heavily. So sure, let's make it a Near DAO where I can, pay in stable coins or whatever. Pay like $100 a month, sure. Or 200, or stake some stable coins. I don't care. Stake $10,000 of stable coins, and you get to spin up as many VMs as you'd like. Okay. Let's see how it might be quick. No, I mean I can. Okay, let's retry. Let's see. Because sometimes Google trusts me and likes me, so I do a lot of stuff with Google. Maybe they'll just be like, "Yeah, sure, take it." I still don't like it though, because who cares? You should be able to, whatever. Because even if you run your stuff at home, your internet provider could shut your stuff down. This is why you need like we have a Starlink satellite that we use to hopefully bypass that. But obviously, Starlink is still run by like the FTC or whatever in the States, and so they can still shut your stuff down. Yeah, so it won't let me do anything. That kind of sucks. I'm kind of fresh. I mean, like only a little bit frustrated. But I like that it's showing me exactly why I run stuff bare metal. I don't enjoy. So I guess just to talk about what's next, because I can't do much right now. Actually, this computer can do quite a bit. Let's do this. Because I still do want to get some stuff set up on this computer. And so let me just set up my dev environment. Not for, I don't think an RPC node would make much sense on this computer. Where's my, sorry. I gotta find my page for the Validator Bootcamp. There it is. Okay, let's see if we can have a little fun. I'm not sure what I've done so far on this computer. Let's actually see. So LS, this is for you, Monish. LS is to list all the directories in your current folder. So currently I'm at doulos. And so it's showing me all my files. And so sandbox, so CD is I'm going to go into, so SA, I'm just typing the first letters of sandbox. I hit tab so that it autofills generally the rest of sandbox. I hit enter, and now I'm into sandbox. I hit LS again. It shows me what's in sandbox. I am planning on going through Euler in Rust. And so I can, CD into Euler and LS and see what's there. Rust, because maybe I want to do Euler in multiple languages. I would love to do better with JavaScript. Check the differences between JavaScript math and Rust math. Those are probably the only two languages I want to learn, Rust and JavaScript. I don't love JavaScript, but the entire web is mostly built with it. And then if I CD into R, Rust, nothing's there. I haven't built anything, but I can I'm probably going to okay, let's see. Euler in Rust. Is there a how to solve Euler problems in Rust? So here's the actual video that I use to kind of go through it. There's a better, there's a curriculum, but there's a better way of doing it. There you go. GitHub. I think this is the right one. Maybe. And there's a video on YouTube about it that kind of shows you how to do it. There's a free code camp one as well. I don't know. Whatever, right? So that's the plan for this right here. Let's go back to my terminal. So CD ... brings me back one more. So I'm going from Rust back to Euler. CD ... brings you back to sandbox. Then I can ls back to what's there. CD end for near. I think CD that brings you back to the beginning. Yeah. And then you could CD dash sandbox. Wait. Oh, it doesn't like that. Or I can be CD dash near. Oops. Definitely not AutoCAD. I think that will bring me straight into near. Oh no, I guess it doesn't. CD dash and I'm surprised it doesn't autocorrect that. Sandbox dot near. What am I doing wrong? Doulos. Oh, Home, doulos near. Interesting. Where are we now? CD. There you go. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I don't know what I did wrong the first time. Oh, I put a dash in front for some reason. Yeah, my bad. See, I forget half the stuff and how to do it half the time. That's why I want to do a boot camp for this. But anyways, to keep this short, and since I'm not actually probably running an RPC node today, I'll at least go through the overview again of kind of starting. I think I already have CLI installed. So let's just... I don't think we're actually going to run an RPC, but let's just start with this. So we just copy and paste this. Nope, 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 nope. I think we already have it. But I mean, it's always good to make sure my machine's upgraded and up to date, because this is a pretty new system, this laptop. And so I don't actually know I can't remember what I already have. Actually, so we're going to check the Node version. That does not look good. Okay, so let's definitely call this next do the next control as well. What? Why are you doing this? Node.js 17 whatever is no longer actively supported. What? Okay, well, I'm still going to use 17 because in the docs it says it wants me to have 17. I could just change it to whatever supported. It's saying recommended is 14. Well, I'm not going to go back because... Oh, snap. So it's keeping me at 12 because... Okay, I'm actually really interested in what it tried to do there. It tried to keep me at 12. I don't think I have NVM installed. No, I kind of meant Node Version Manager, but I'm probably saying it wrong or doing it wrong. Maybe it is NPM. Okay, let's see what NPM version we're on. Okay, at least that was correct. I do think that it is supposed to be at 17. I do think that it's probably relatively important. I think it did give me an example. It didn't want to do it. Yeah. It's like, enter. It's like not... Okay, well, let's just do this quickly then. Change node version used. I always forget how to do this too. So you can just change install NVM, install version using... Oh yeah, okay, yeah, let's do it this way. Customize, confirm. Okay, where is it again? Oh, you can use N. Oh, here. Install N globally. Here we go. What? Oh, okay. Sudo. So sudo just allows you to call the same function as root, as administrator. And so if you see a bunch of error, access denied, that just use sudo and then it'll work. So now we have N, and now we could force it to use node 17. So I'm just going to check latest stable release for node 17. Why won't it just say... Oh, it's 0 dot... What? Man. There's no way this is actually the current one. Where's... Here, downloads. That'll be it. See, it's saying to use 16.16 for the latest release. So maybe I should not use 17. Because I know it says I should, but I feel like they know something. If Node is saying don't use oops. I don't know why it gave me all these extra symbols. We just want that. And we want to say N. I think that's all we say now is N. Yeah. What? Ugh, sudo again. So sudo, wait, let's go to the command first. Sudo. And if it doesn't work, you just change it back. So no big deal. Okay, so now we should be at, where are you? npm version. What? That was the command, right? Why do I? Oh, node version 16. There you go. Sorry, I don't know what I'm doing half the time. Okay, so now we're at 16 something and not 17 something, but we're gonna try it. I think we have near CLI, so near keys Chloe dot near. Okay, well, near keys Chloe dot testnet. Okay, so we're good. We already have near installed. Are we doing stuff on testnet or mainnet? Because maybe I would want to download an RPC node on here if it was on mainnet. That would be kind of fun. So maybe I will do that for fun. So that actually, this might happen actually. So let's do this so we can just make sure we're always using mainnet at least. Because I definitely do a lot of videos where I'm trying to just do stuff on mainnet with a test account, and so having a local RPC node running locally that I could bring to hackathons and stuff, why not? As long as it stays under 500 gigs, because I'm not trying to take up the entire computer storage, but I can just delete the data directory whenever it gets too much. So I am going to just change this, to run RPC nodes. Okay, run a node. Do I want to use near up? I probably don't want to use near up. But like, why? Okay, let's just start with this and do it the real way, and not use near up. Okay, why does it keep adding? Okay, let me copy the commands properly. Using this, and yeah, what? Very weird. I guess I'll wait. I'll make it easier to see, but I'm not actually sure why. Okay, so obviously I can do it that way, but it's still copying that sign in front. Ew, wait, why was it saying brew? Oh, I was like, my bad. I'm having a hard time. Mac OS. We do not have a Mac. I mean, usually I'm using a Mac, but not right now. Paste. Why does it keep doing that? I don't know if it's like this website that's doing it. I'll try and leave feedback. I'm not sure if it's me or the website, but for some reason it's taking could not open, permission denied. Docker, eh? Okay. So sudo Python has no installation candidate. Do I not have Python yet? Okay, let's duplicate, go back. I thought you had to have Python going through like. There you go. They make you go through this. Paste. There we go. Is this first? So now, yeah. Weird. I would assume that, okay, now let's see if this works. What? Package Python is unavailable, but is referred to by another package. However, following packages replace it. I feel like it's just telling me to install Python, but actually I don't know what you're talking about. What happened this time? Copy. Okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Stop, like, giving me all the cookies. Okay. Edit. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, I don't care. I can only spectate. Maybe no maintainer. However, you can install it via pip. Sudo apt install python 3 dot pip. Isn't that what we just did? Apt. Yeah, python 3 dash. No, use python. Oh. It's like not using Python for some reason. Missing, obsolete, however, the following packages replace it. Python 2 minimal, Python 2, what? Note that pip will default to install a package to your local user. If you need to run Python script with sudo, install it system-wide. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Python version. Ugh. Python dash version. Python 2. Oh gosh. Did I spell Python wrong? Okay, what is happening? Or it's just not recognizing that I just downloaded Python at all. I don't know why it's putting... Maybe I should Google this too. Why is it doing this? This is like the weird... I'm getting some weird... whatever. I'm not going to check that. Let's just... My face is cutting off everything, eh? I'm going to move that. Okay. Let's just... Okay, so yeah, it doesn't think I have Python installed. Even though I just downloaded Python. Okay. Maybe it's like not in my path or something. Let's try this again. Maybe it didn't work the first time. Okay, Python 3 is already at its newest version. But if I type in Python version, maybe Python 3 version? Okay, fair. Fair. So we know we have Python 3 installed. And we know that it's working there. So then when I try and install this, and it says, maybe let's just copy and paste this. copy and see why is it telling us this if we just want to. Okay, Python is Python 3. Yeah, this last one. Lots of questions about it. So all official Ubuntu packages will depend explicitly on Python 2 or Python 3 and invoke the probe command. The default Python commands will be undefined so that any scripts, however, users have a code that relies on Python being available. So Python is Python 3. Okay. So apt install Python is Python 3. Why is it not just, dang it, why is it not just, I want like the package so I can just like see it. There you go. Trust the first blog post you see on the internet. And I don't know why it's still doing this. I'm sure I could figure it out eventually, but not right now. Okay, now I should be able to call this big thing. Python has no installation content. What? However, these ones replace it. Package Python is not available. Like, oh, maybe it did work? So confused. Build utils dev. Yeah, I don't understand. apt get install. Python command will use Python 3 binary. Seems like it should be that simple. I don't want all this. What's going on? Oh yeah, we should try this command. And see what, can we say Python version now? Okay, so we can just say Python version, but something about all this isn't working. Let me just close my terminal, open it back up, and see. I do have to hop off. Oh, I have to hop off now. My gosh. Okay. Let's try this one last time then on the node section, because I definitely need to run this. And this is the same issue, the same package I'm trying to run. And it doesn't seem to like us. I don't know why it wants to do it like that. Oh, it's so weird. This is weird. Yeah, I need to restart my computer or something maybe. Ah! Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. What? I mean, that happens often, so. Okay, everything's up to date, which I thought it would be. And so I should be able to just apt install, yes, all this stuff. and it shouldn't give me an issue. Are you root? Yes, I am root. I mean, apparently not. So I need to put sudo in front again. Okay. Sudo. And it's going to give me an error. I don't get what that means. Package Python has no installation candidate. That means absolutely nothing to me. And then it keeps... Whenever I do something... Copy. Paste. Why would I need Python 2? If you have Python 2 installed, then you can use the following command to install pip for Python 2. Oh, is it saying that it needs to use Python 2 for this? Let's see. Pip 2 -- version. Ha! Okay. Maybe we're getting somewhere. Maybe. Control C. Oops. That worked. Yes, please. Please. Something. Okay. Now, you know you want to work. No! Okay, but do we have a pip 2 version at least now? Okay, so that's good. What about pip 3 version? Okay, so oh gosh, maybe it needed for Python 3. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Hopefully, and then now that we know we have Python 3, still no candidates. Okay, well we have pip now at least. That didn't help us. Yeah, clearly Python's not installed correctly. This is not helpful. How do I fix it? Oh yes, I did. Someone did say this. Let's see. Let's see. Package. Just update and upgrade. I think we already did this one. That's what you say, but nothing's going to be upgraded. Watch. See? Oh. The following package I'm installed and no longer required. Use this to auto remove them. Maybe this is the issue. Let's see. It's moving a bunch of like Python 2 stuff, doing unlinking some stuff. Okay. No! Why do you want to do this to me so badly? Okay, I think I have to go, but like, this is crazy. I wonder what issue I'm having. You know what I should check first, though? Let's see if I can just move past it quickly. like, see if I can just, like, what happens if I just do everything else? Like, I should have Rust installed, right? I should have, let's open a new tab. Like, I should have Rust and everything installed. Oh. Oh, maybe I should actually just see, like, Rust version or something. Let's hit this instead and hit Rust. Rust C. Okay, yeah, we clearly have Rust installed already. So let's not. But we should clone near core. That's something we should just do regardless. So let's clone near core. Shoot. No! This is the same thing. Fetch origin tags. Good. Okay, so git checkout. That's definitely not the latest release. I think it's 0.27. 0.27. So git checkout 0.27. And I don't know why my computer keeps putting the $sign in front, but we're just gonna switch to new branch my node. And then you compile. We can definitely still compile. I mean, it should work to compile, I hope. Maybe it wants me to use sudo. Nope. Okay, so let's see if we can compile even with whatever issues we were having. Although it's... What did I download? Oh, the build essentials. Okay, yeah, so everything seemed to work. We're about to make... Okay. So it takes about 25 minutes. It says 1 gig of memory, blah, blah, blah. Per virtual core. I think it has 8 cores, this laptop. Jeez, I can't remember. Let's go to the settings. Where's my settings? About 40 gigs of memory. Why do I forget? I don't know how many cores it has. 8 cores. Yeah, sorry. My bad. So 8 gigs. 1 gig of memory per core, 8 cores. It has 40 gigs of memory though. So that's not bad. The computer can still do everything else it needs to do. As you can see, we're at 8% CPU usage. 0 dropped frames. So this computer actually does a lot better than the Mac Mini. The Mac Mini would. We have a node syncing in the other room, and I'm streaming here with my phone watching, and Bianca's working with the music streaming, and we're fine. Which is good. I feel like on the Mac Mini I would be dropping frames left, right, and center, but I'm glad it's working. It says 25 minutes. I'm glad that this computer is showing why I bought it, this laptop. This is a lot less than 25 minutes, I think, to compile this. I guess this is why you buy way too expensive Linux laptops, maybe. Monish, if you go through this step, I would love your feedback on how long it takes you to compile. Near core, or yeah. On a virtual machine, I think I tried it last time. I think it took a lot longer than this. Doing it locally, again, doing things locally, it's faster, it's more efficient. So I'm gonna probably keep this synced whenever possible. Obviously, if I close my laptop or whatever, it's not gonna sync. And then the idea for me right now is just to, like, when I start my coffee with Chloe in the mornings, just start my node again up. The habit of restarting your node often is a good habit to get into. But yeah. So I think I'm ending the video here. Next time I go live, I'll start off from... Ooh, this looks like so much fun. Yeah, next time I go live, I'll just start syncing. So the RPC node now is we're building or making near core. We're compiling near core, and then tomorrow, hopefully, tomorrow I'll go into what's it called? actually starting to sync the node. Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward here. Yeah, you just do this. But see everyone.